And thank you for choosing Broadcast TV. Well, after a hot and stormy week, let's check with Stormwatch 12 meteorologist Josh Colbert about maybe our weekend weather.
Yeah, like you said yesterday, this is the calm after the storm, and we're going to have a lot of calm for the foreseeable future. Not a lot of heat. Well, not a lot of excessive heat, I should say, and not a lot of thunderstorms in the forecast. So definitely a big change of pace compared to what we've had over the past couple of days. Right now, you're taking a live, pretty clear look at Yreka. This view coming courtesy of the Rain Rock Casino. It is 63 degrees right now in Yreka, seeing lots of greens on the map this morning. And that means that temperatures are pretty mild. 40s and 50s for the east side, 60s for west side valleys, and we're at 55 there along the coast in Brookings. We're also seeing a fair amount of green on this map, at least for Klamath County, Lake County, and eastern Siskiyou County. That means the air quality is looking good. Not so good in portions of western Siskiyou County, and then kind of sporadically throughout Jackson and Josephine counties. Part of this is because of those new lightning complexes that have started up in Jackson and Josephine counties, and then part of this is because of some of the smoke that is still getting streamed downwind of that Six Rivers lightning complex. It's up to 50% containment. That's the good news, but part of it is still burning very, very hot, and so it is producing some smoke, enough to drop air quality just a little bit. Let's take things back to the Rogue Valley. Here's your pool forecast for today, and lots of sunshine, temperatures that'll be warm. The UV index will be very high, so scale from 1 to 11, it's going to be an 8. So be sure you're putting on plenty of sunscreen, but this is definitely not the hottest day that we're going to have this week when it's all said and done. So for today, pretty average temperatures for this time of the year, maybe just a little bit above. We'll be near 90 degrees over on the east side, mid 90s for west side valleys, and near 70 degrees there along the coast, where we will have more clouds compared to inland areas, but still all in all a very pleasant day. Winds everywhere today are going to pick up. They're going to come out of the northwest, gusting anywhere between 20 to 30 miles per hour. That would be during the afternoon and evening. Then overnight, those winds will calm down. Most of us will be clear inland, maybe a few clouds over on the east side and down in eastern portions of Siskiyou County. But other than that, a very pleasant Friday night, very pleasant temperatures, 50s for the east side, 60s for west side valleys, and 50s there along the coast, where we'll continue to deal with some very thick marine layer fog. Here's your weekend forecast for the Rogue Valley, near 100 degrees for both Saturday and Sunday, so still definitely hot out there, but this is about 5 to 6 degrees above average for this time of the year. We don't think air quality should be too big of an issue, but skies might be a little bit hazy, and a lot of that depends on containment efforts of these complexes. Here's the good news. There's no lightning in the next 7 days, but here's the bad news. It looks like there's going to be no rain for the next 7 days, so a big catch-22. Here's your 7-day forecast along the coast. Pretty consistent conditions over the next 7 days. Temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s, a mixture of sun and clouds. For Siskiyou County, very hot over the next few days, near 100 degrees. It looks like we get a little bit of a brief cool down for Monday and Tuesday, but then back near triple digits for Wednesday and Thursday. For the Klamath Basin, will also be pretty hot, but not too terribly above average for this time of the year. Just keeping things very stagnant, very warm, very sunny, and very dry over the next 7 days. Same thing can be said for the mountains, where the mornings are going to feel fantastic. The afternoons are going to be a little bit on the warmer side, temperatures in the 80s and 90s. And then for the Rogue Valley, 90s across the board for the next 5 days. Then we kick it into high gear and go into triple digits again for Wednesday and Thursday.